What if there was a way to generate crypto deposits without trading, without analyzing charts, and without spending hours learning complicated strategies? Well, a brand new system called Infinite Money Loop claims it can do exactly that. Instead of trading or guessing the market, this system reveals a simple process that can trigger repeated crypto deposits automatically. But the real question is, does it actually work? Let's take a closer look. Infinite Money Loop is a crypto income training created by Alva and James Renouf. The system reveals a step-by-step blueprint that shows how to activate what they call an automated crypto loop designed to generate deposits repeatedly. The interesting part is that it doesn't require no trading skills, no ads, no marketing, no social media following. Everything is explained through simple video tutorials, making it beginner-friendly. First, the Infinite Crypto Loop system. This is the core concept where users activate a repeatable process designed to generate crypto deposits again and again. Second, you get step-by-step video training. The creators walk you through the entire setup, so even beginners can follow along without technical knowledge. Third, the program includes real case studies, including a $10 starter example, a $1,000 plus scaling example, and even a live 30-day case study. And finally, one big advantage is that the system uses free crypto technology, meaning you don't need expensive tools or monthly subscriptions. Pros: beginner-friendly system. No marketing or trading skills required. Setup can reportedly be completed in under 1 hour. Includes real case studies demonstrating how the system works. Cons: results may vary since it depends on how the system is set up. Launch price may increase after the early bird period. And here's something important. When you grab Infinite Money Loop through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses include traffic tools, affiliate marketing training, and powerful business resources. So if you want to check out Infinite Money Loop and see how the crypto loop system works, go ahead and click the link in the video description below. Remember, when you grab it through my link, you'll also receive the $43,000 bonus bundle completely free. But keep in mind, the launch price is limited and may increase soon. So if you're interested, now is the best time to get access.